I reviewed a coach's YouTube channel. Here are 7 mistakes costing her clients. I spent over 3 hours doing a deep dive into this YouTube channel today, and I see she has amazing potential, but I actually found 7 hidden issues that currently blocking her growth. If we fix this, the YouTube algorithm will start pushing her YouTube channel and videos to the exact right audience. Here are 7 fixes she can apply right now. Number 1. Her channel handle. Current handle, you can see this handle has number at the end. Updating this to a clean number will instantly boost her searchability on YouTube and Google search. You can see here this one. So what I'm saying to update, you need to remove this one, 453 number. This will instantly boost her searchability on Google and YouTube. Number 2, the about section. Her channel description is empty right now. You can see here her channel description, no channel description. She don't have any channel description. Adding a clear description tells the YouTube algorithm exactly what your content is about and who your audience is. Number 3, missing links. There are no links on her channel about. You can see here she should definitely add her coaching website. This one, you can see here is her website, and she didn't add this link in her channel about or channel links option. Number 4, video descriptions. Adding detailed keywords in the first few lines will help viewers find her videos through search. Even YouTube officially recommends doing this. If we go to her any videos,
Our topic today is sport.
You can see she don't have any descriptions. Number 5, content packaging. Her titles and thumbnails needs to spark curiosity. A strong title and a more audience-friendly thumbnail will make people want to click and consume her content. And if we go to her videos, you can see her content packaging is not good right now. Number 6, brand hashtag. Creating her own unique tags like this one, Anita Business Coach and Anita Quintessence, will build her authority across all platforms if she use these hashtags, branded hashtags in all contents in all platforms. If you go to her any videos, she don't have any branded hashtags or proper description. Number 7, I noticed she is using 3 or more hashtags in her shorts title. If you go to her shorts videos, she is using hashtags you can see in the shorts. This actually hurts the health of her shorts in the algorithm. At the end, I will say good packaging gets the click and a strong hook keep them watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more potential YouTube growth strategies specifically for coaches, consultants, and business owners. And if you want personalized help growing your channel and attracting more clients through YouTube, click the first link in the description below and book a free discovery call with me. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.